Hello guys, thank you for clicking on this video, and today I'm going to quickly go over how to add Outlook as a startup application in Windows 10. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to right click on the taskbar and start up and enable which app you want, and it will start up the next time you launch Windows 10. Don't launch it. That was launch Windows 10. As you can see in this image, you go open Task Manager, Control Alt and Delete, you're seeing, and click on Startup. And from here, you can just simply right click on the application, Outlook, or any other. Seeing, and as you can see in the picture over here, you'll see an option over here, because this one's already enabled. So you see an option to enable it. Just press enable, and next time when you restart your computer, it will start up that application when you first log into your computer. Or another thing you can do is you can open a Windows dialog box, okay, by pressing Windows key and R and the combination. Then copy and paste the following path to the run dialog that pops up. Press enter. As you can see, updated Microsoft Windows Start menu, and open the start screen. Right click the Office program you want to automatically start up, and click on the file, open the file option, location, sorry. This might be in the more of a sub menu. Okay, if your program is listed there, right click the start screen and click all apps. Okay, copy the program shortcut and paste it to that startup folder you opened in step 2. Okay, so when you go into app data, start menu, programs, start, paste it there, and your program will automatically start next time you start your computer. If you ever want to remove the program from auto start, delete the shortcut from the start folder. That's how you would add Outlook or any other application to stop at when you switch on your computer, okay, or when you log into when your desktop first appears. So thank you for watching this video, and hope I've taught you something new today. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back shortly with another video. Thank you. Bye.